Hello everyone, welcome in our YouTube channel. The online series for geotechnical engineering. It is the second lecture of online series for geotechnical engineering. I am Professor Siddhi Borade from Vishwabharati Academy's College of Engineering, and in this series, the firstly we are studying about what is geotechnical engineering, their definition, the key concept for the geotechnical engineering, and importance of geotechnical engineering. In next lecture, we are studying about what is soil and the introduction of soil mechanics. The firstly, what is soil? Soil is a complex material formed from weathering of rock and rocky materials. As we are see that what is soil? Soil is a natural body. It's composed of solid, liquid and gases. It is formed from weathering of rock and rocky material and the decomposition of organic matters. This is called as soil. The key components include in soil is minerals, particles, organic matter, water and air. The soil is a critical composition of the different types of material and the weathering of rock and rocky material. It is called as a soil, and it is a important role in infrastructure, planet growth and water filtration. Soil is the base of the soil mechanics, or we also call the soil is a main component in geotechnical engineering. In first lecture, we are studying the main components or main two components of geotechnical engineering is soil and rock mechanics, and second one is engineered system. And from these components we are studying geotechnical engineering, and therefore firstly we are find or we are understand about what is soil. So we are finding or we define soil is the soil is a natural body composed of soil, solid, liquid and gases. It formed from weathering of rock and rock materials and the decomposition of masses. The next important definition in this series is soil mechanics. The firstly, the soil mechanics is one of the branch of civil engineering. It's involved the study of soil, its behavior and application of law of mechanics and hydraulics in engineering problem. It is called as a soil mechanics. The fundamental principles of the soil mechanics is the first one is effective stress and second one is permeability. In effective stresses, we are finding out the various properties or loads which are carried in on soil. The first effective stresses is the total stress minus for water pressure, and it represent the actual stress carried by the soil particle. This is called as the effective stress, and it is the first fundamental principle of soil mechanics. Firstly, we understand about soil, then what is soil mechanics. The And now we are studying about the fundamental principles. The fundamental principles, the first is effective stress and next one is permeability. What is permeability? The permeability is the ability of soil to transfer water. It is converted, or it is uh, finding by Darcy's law, which relate the flow rate to the hydraulic gradient and permeability. These are the main principles, fundamental principles of soil mechanics. Then next one is field application of soil mechanics. In first slide, we are studying about what is soil. Then next one is soil mechanics. Then the principles, the fundamental principles for soil mechanics. These are the main important process or main important definition in geotechnical engineering. Then next one is the field application of soil mechanics. These are the different applications of soil mechanics in civil engineering. First one is foundation design. Foundation design. In foundation design, we are using soil mechanics. In foundation design, involve determine the bearing capacity and the settlement analysis of soil to support structure like bridges and dams, etc. The first application of soil mechanics is the design of foundation. Then next one is slope stability analysis. For the purpose of finding out the slope stability, we are use a soil mechanics. In slope stability analysis, the soil mechanics is used for natural and man-made slopes, ensure their stability and prevent landsliding. This is the main purpose of use soil mechanics in soil in finding or in design of stability of slope or analysis. Stability analysis. Then next one is retaining structure like walls and dams are designed using soil mechanics principle to prevent soil erosion and support excavation. This is the next field application of soil mechanics. In retaining structure, like as we are seen in previous lecture, the retaining walls or retaining structures, we are using soil mechanics principles, and it is used to prevent soil erosion and support excavations. These three applications of soil mechanics. The next one is soil improvement techniques like compaction, stabilization, and ground improvement enhance soil property for construction project. The next and last application of soil mechanics is for improve the new techniques to stabilize or the best project of civil engineering. Then next, these are the main applications or field application of soil mechanics. Then next one is, in next slide, we are studying about the excavation, soil excavation or soil exploration techniques. There are three soil exploration techniques are important or we are seen in this slide. The first one is boring, then second one is geophysical method, and next one is test pit and trenches. The for in these techniques, soil exploration, firstly we are studying about the definition of soil. in the definition, we finding out we finding out what is soil. And the next one is soil mechanics. In soil mechanics definition or understanding about soil mechanics, we are finding the soil mechanics is a study of soil and its behavior. So for finding out the soil behavior and study about soil, we are using, there are three techniques for soil exploration for the investigation purpose of soil. The first one is a boring. For the in boring method, the standard penetration test and the cone penetration test are used for the measurement the resistance of soil to penetration. These two techniques are used in boring method. The next one is geophysical method. In geophysical method, seismic refraction and the ground penetration radars use wave to determine subsurface soil layers. The next one is the test pit method. In the test pit method, we are collecting the soil sample and we are finding the behavior properties of that soil and their important parts. These are the three main soil exploration processes are used. Then next is measuring soil deposits. Firstly, we are studying what are the soil exploration methods are used in geotechnical engineering. Then in next slide, we are finding or we are see that there are three main components or three main parts. They are divided. The finding the properties of soil. The first one is the grain size analysis by using sieves and hydrometer to determine the distribution of soil particle. The first part of soil deposition or measurement of soil deposits is the finding out the grain size or the analysis of grain size by using sieves. Then next one is by arbitrary limits. The first one is liquid limit, plastic limit, shrinkage limit are measure the soil water content and behavior. In first phase, we are finding the size of grain. The next one is the presence of water content and their behavior is finding out by using number of techniques that is the liquid limit, plastic limit, and shrinkage limit in laboratory. Then next one is the finding out the water content, unit weight, and specific gravity of soil. These are the soil deposits, or in another word, we also call the soil is measured or finding their properties in these three components or in these three types. The in first we are finding the size of grain or grain size analysis. Then second one is the finding out the water content and their behavior of soil. Then in next test we are finding the moisture content, unit weight, and specific gravity of soil. The next one is soil structure or arrangement of soil particles. The soil are divided or soil structures are divided in 5 types. First one is granular structure. In granular structure, we are seeing the soil is in rounded shape or non-cohesive particle. The example for the granular soil is sand. The next one is blocky structure. In blocky structure, angular or cohesive particles. There are few angular structures are seen in blocky type of structure. The best example for blocky structure is clay. In next, we are see that the soil structure or arrangement of soil particle is the platy. That is, thin plate-like structure are seen in soil. The example for the platy structure is shales. Then next is prismatic structure. In prismatic structure, we are seeing the vertical oriented pillar-like structures are seen in prismatic structure. Then next one is massive structure. In massive structure, homogeneous structure or unsaturated soil is seen in massive type of soil. These are the 5 main soil structures are seen in nature. By using or by their physical appearance, we are divided this soil structure. The next one is advanced topics in soil mechanics. In soil mechanics, there are number of advanced topics are used for understanding the behavior of soil. The first one is unsaturated soil mechanics deals with the behavior of soil with both air and water present. It means for finding out the water content or the behavior of the soil, we are use unsaturated soil mechanics technique. Then next one is geo environmental engineering focused on soil contamination and remediation. It means for from the point of view of environmental engineering, geo environmental engineering is also used for contamination and remediation of soil. Then next one is earthquake engineering is also used. It is used to seismic response of soil and structure. Earthquake engineering is also used in soil mechanics to finding out the seismic response of soil and the structure. The next one is numerical modeling. Numerical modeling is a element analysis to stimulate the behavior of soil. These are the main components or main topics in geotechnical engineering and in soil mechanics. These are the applications we also called as applications of geotechnical engineering or soil engineering in civil engineering field. Then the next and the important of our lecture or the main purpose of whole lecture is the importance of soil mechanics. Why we are studying about soil mechanics and what are the applications of soil mechanics. The importance of soil mechanics is first important. Why we are studying soil mechanics is the soil mechanics is a important role for safe and stable infrastructural development. It contribute their important role in construction of safe and stable infrastructure. Then next is understanding soil property and behavior is essential for civil engineering projects. And next one is soil mechanics is improve our ability to design and construct reliable structures. To design the reliable structure, we are used soil mechanics. And then further research and innovation are needed to address the future challenges in soil mechanics. These are the importance of soil mechanics in geotechnical engineering. So these are the main basic concepts about soil mechanics and introduction about soil mechanics. So thank you.